In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to fix the checkout not working issue on Gumroad in 2026. If the Gumroad checkout page is freezing, not loading, or showing temporary payment errors, don't worry. I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. First, open Gumroad and log into your account. Then, try refreshing the checkout page and starting the checkout process again. Sometimes the issue is only a temporary loading glitch. The next fix is clearing your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted browser data can stop checkout scripts from loading correctly. Open your browser settings and clear cookies, cached images and files, temporary website data. Then restart the browser and retry the checkout. You can also try using incognito or private mode because extensions and stored cookies sometimes interfere with payments. Another common issue is browser extensions. Ad blockers, privacy extensions, VPNs, or security tools may block Gumroad payment scripts. Temporarily disable them and test the checkout again. You should also try another browser like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Brave. If you use Brave browser, make sure shields or ad blocking are turned off for the checkout page. Another important fix is checking your internet connection. Weak or unstable internet can interrupt payment processing and freeze the checkout page. If you are the seller, double check your payment settings, product pricing, currency setup, and payout information inside your Gumroad dashboard because incorrect payment configuration can also break checkout. You should also make sure your card details are correct and that your bank allows online or international transactions. Most Gumroad checkout issues are caused by browser cache, blocked scripts, unstable internet, or payment configuration problems. Follow these fixes carefully and your checkout should start working normally again. Thanks for watching and goodbye.